The name's Hayden Hatcher, and I'd like to introduce to you an item that might just save your life. We call it the Tazering Doorbell. And it's a doorbell that when guests show up and they ring the doorbell, it shocks them, it makes them go away. Now, here's an example of how this amazing item might just save your life. Tough day in the bathroom, but I can finally sit down and relax. I wonder what's on TV. Jehovah's Witness, and voltage up. Wow, it really worked! Thanks, Tazering Doorbell! Oh, I see you're back. Amazing, wasn't it? Now you've seen the awesome power of the Tazering Doorbell. It can be yours for one easy payment of $19.99. And all you have to do is call our number, 1-800-TAZE, or visit our website, www.taze.com. And, thank you. You cannot be held accountable for any personal injuries or injuries to others that may or may not have been caused by the Tazering Doorbell. These include, but are not limited to, head injuries, back injuries, injuries to limbs, seizures, rabies, memory loss, comas, concussions, STDs/diseases, loss of limbs or appendages, harm to organs, death, or loss of hair. If any of these happen, please discontinue use and call for help.